Hello everybody! So, this is the last day of my vacation and I'm gonna go, like tomorrow it's my back to school day. So I thought why not spend some quality time with mommy. So I asked mom that mom, I wanna spend some time together. Mom was like, yeah, we can go to the mall, you need new clothes, I need new clothes. There's no girl who needs
Who doesn't need new clothes?
exactly. So I was like, no, we need to do something like interesting and fun. I was like, what do you want to do? Then I thought, why not do an at-home spa day? So we have our twins here, mom here, me here, and we're ready to do it.
Yes, and this is something that I'm going to do with all the ingredients that are there at everybody's home, and you can take care of your skin and your kiddo's skin pretty well.
So let's get started.
All that I'm doing is I'm just taking some curd.
I want. Mom,
I am just going to put
1 tablespoon,
for her and 1 for me.
2 tablespoons for 2 people.
And I have some cucumber here which is grated pretty well. So I'm just going to squeeze it and take out the cucumber juice into that curd. And in the end, I'm just going to put some honey. And my favorite one is this one from Forever.
Approximately how much, Mom?
It's about 1 teaspoon.
It looks kind of weird.
We all know that curd has antibacterial properties in it, and honey is very, very good for skin, especially dry skin. And her skin and my skin is absolutely dry. Whereas the summers are approaching, so cucumber is definitely going to help us out in that. It's done. And now I am going to apply this on her face and then on my face.
No, I'm gonna apply it on you, Mommy.
Is that so? No.
No, yes, it's yeah.
No.
It's not the blindfolded face mask challenge. You should be lucky. Feel.
And I'm just going to put it for her.
Oh, it's good. It feels good.
Yeah?
It does.
And it's going to do good to your skin as well. Trust me, it will.
Now, how is it gonna help my skin? Like, am I gonna be fairer or?
Why do you want to be fair?
No, like, what is gonna happen? Like, am I gonna be not that dry or what?
Yes, it's going to moisturize your skin and you'll be ready for the summers. I am going to paint you.
No, don't, Mama.
You want to go? Now it's my turn. Should I put it myself?
No, me.
Be very careful.
I didn't mean this kind of spa. I meant like packaged and
Oh!
yeah. This is not what I expected.
I wish you were a millionaire.
I can't do it near the lips because I'm scared. So, upper lip you do. That's what you were doing to me.
I don't know how to mend shades. It feels weird.
Papa?
And let me put some balm for you on your lips.
So, it's really important to stay hydrated in summer, so why not? Open mine!
You drink it like this. I'll take another bottle. Just relax with some
All over me.
here on your eyes.
Pretend we're actually at the spa.
Just chillax.
This feels so good, Mommy. But
Let's
it's
play some good music. So hi, we are back here. We just washed off our faces and we feel so...
Okay, seriously, my skin, it feels so much softer and so much moisturized. I have
so much
so dry skin, but
moisturized.
now it's better.
Yes, you feel better?
I do.
Yes. So it's such a beautiful thing that mother-daughter duo thing. Enjoy with your daughters the at-home spa feeling, and you will love it.
You will. And you're gonna thank your mothers for this recipe thingy because it was so good.
We both just kept it for about 10 minutes. If you want, you can actually keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Just go and wash it off and you will feel that soft.
Also, you guys, this is an at-home recipe. I'm sure everybody of you can find these materials
Basic things at home.
in your kitchen, and you don't have to afford those expensive face masks when you can use the natural ones. And it's even like, it's not gonna harm your skin, it's gonna make it better.
Yes. Thumbs up. So this is the end of the video. I hope you all would have enjoyed it.